Since its foundation in 1997, East Color Printing and Packaging has never ceased its pursuit of innovation, deeply rooted in the luxury paper packaging sector. We bring the exquisite craftsmanship of Made in China from the manufacturing hub of Dongguan to the global stage. For us, premium packaging is the perfect fusion of artistic creativity and industrial precision. At our Dongguan R&D Center, a team of over 80 expert engineers transforms client visions into reality through creative design, 3D modeling, white sample prototyping, and digital color sampling. We utilize full-process digital management to ensure every imaginative idea is meticulously crafted into a tangible masterpiece. Supported by over 100 technical patents, from eco-friendly material breakthroughs to structural innovation and advanced anti-counterfeiting technology, we balance artistic tension with mass production feasibility. Our core products, including premium gift boxes, matching paper bags, and folding carton boxes, serve the cosmetics, luxury goods, jewelry, and cultural gifting industries worldwide. Headquartered in Dongguan, we have built a global intelligent manufacturing network across Dongguan, Guangdong, China, Yunfu, Guangdong, China, Vinh Phuc, Vietnam, and Central Java, Indonesia, with 24-hour rapid response, unified global dispatching, and over 60 production lines. Our dedicated team of 2,000 professionals achieves a staggering monthly capacity of 18 million units. Quality is the lifeblood of East Color. Every product undergoes rigorous control, from raw material inspection to final delivery. By integrating the German SAP system in a custom MES system, we ensure comprehensive digital management and lean production. Committed to sustainability and social responsibility, we have earned authoritative international certifications, including SMETA, SA8000, ISO 9001, BRC, and FSC. Our mission is to empower our employees and create value for our customers. We believe that by fostering a supportive environment, we ensure that every piece of packaging is infused with true craftsmanship and care. East Color, letting the world see the art of packaging and making every unboxing the start of a beautiful story.